Hello, I'm Pranav Varun, the CEO of Project Green, which is presenting the Smart Gardener. The Smart Gardener is a device that provides a complete gardening solution for your plants. The device costs $75. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and a free booklet on home gardening. It has an included mobile app with a user-friendly interface to control the device and monitor it too. Smart Gardener, nurturing the future.
There was once a family that lived in an apartment. They were the Sawyer family. They were pretty much a nice and normal family, but their plants were always droopy due to lack of good care. Then one day Mr. Sawyer found it online. It was the solution to all his problems. It was the Smart Gardener. The Smart Gardener included the features to solve his family's problems. Using the temperature and lighting systems, the plants could survive in all environments and conditions, even the cold. The Sawyers also did not have to bother about watering their plant anymore because the machine did it on its own when the plant needed it. More pollinators arrived at the Sawyers' place and pollinated the plant's flower thanks to the pollinator mode feature. The Sawyers could now keep track of their plant's growth too, now with the growth mode that displays real-time data of the plant's height. The included mobile app, with QR code for downloading, allowed the Sawyers to customize and control the device's workings. The device needs to be powered by 9-volt batteries, not included. When they are away, the Sawyers can be rest assured that their plant will thrive. The Sawyers were extremely happy with the results, and Mr. Sawyer added, "This product is amazing. As a hard worker myself, I found it great, for I could focus on calls and family." The Sawyers' plants were finally healthy, all thanks to the Smart Gardener. Please support our product, for it is an initiative for a greener, more technological and efficient Earth. Pranav Varun, CEO of Project Green. This product is available now for $75 and comes with a free booklet on gardening and a 1-year warranty. Smart Gardener, nurturing the future.
Today I'm gonna demonstrate the high fidelity prototype of the automatic watering system that is gonna be used in the Smart Gardener. So when the soil moisture sensor detects a low soil moisture level, the water pump will activate, and the soil moisture level has come to the desired level, the water pump will stop. Let's see a demonstration. As you can see, it waters. The high fidelity prototype of the pollinator mode for the Smart Gardener. I can control it with this IR remote. I have on it. This buzzing frequency is specially designed to attract pollinators. Now I have switched it off. This is the high fidelity prototype of the growth mode for the Smart Gardener. This is the ultrasonic sensor used for measuring height. As you can see over here in the computer, it's giving me the reading of the height as 110, now 108. As you can see, it's giving the value. Thank you.